Entry number 37, Central BICOL State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur. Principal, Dr. Alberto N. Naperi, Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Monica A. Mirillos. Corps XO, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Dino H. Delagado. Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joyce A. Bantayan. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Saidi G. Marmon. Corps S3, Cadet Major Arnulfo R. Azuel. Corps S4, Cadet Master Sergeant Denise Marie Melgar. Corps S7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mary Joy E. Pepe. Majorette Leader, Alexandria Cesar. Band Leader, John Aldrin Elgani. Company Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel J.R. M. Bazar. Company XO, Cadet First Lieutenant John Wayne M. Nieto. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jeffrey A. Milana. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jane Doctor. Majorette Trainer, Herbert Boalay. Band Master Trainer, Ricardo P. Villamer Jr. Entry number 37, Central BICOL State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 37, Central BICOL State University of Agriculture, Pili Campus, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry,